In this video, I will show you how to set up 2FA on Kik. So to do this, just go and open up Kik, and then in the top right, click on your profile picture. Now here, click security, and then you will see 2FA right here. So just go and click enable 2FA, and then here you need to first scan the QR code using your Authenticator app. So for me, I just use Google Authenticator, but you can also use a different app if you want. But what you could also do is use this code. So in Google Authenticator, for example, you can click plus in the bottom right and then enter a setup key, and that's this code right here. But the easiest way is to just scan this with your phone and then click continue, and then you will need to enter the 6-digit code that you have in the app. And after you enter the correct code, then it's actually confirmed that it is connected, so then it will fully be set up. So that's how to set up 2FA on Kik. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.